Let's listen in to this interaction between Yasha and Sana Khan, the lawyer of Indrani Mukherjee.
Yes, she has sent a letter to the CBI director on 27th November. She has sent the letter from prison because she has received this information from an inmate who is a lady government officer who claims that she had met Sheena in Kashmir in July 2021. So basically what Indrani wants is that she wants CBI to take necessary steps and necessary actions in that regard.
So what will be the course of action that you all will take now? Are you all going to approach the court for that?
She's already sent the letter to the CBI. Now I'm likely to move an application on her behalf in the court on the next date, in the CBI special court.
What do you expect? Do you think that this would help the case? Because we see that there's a Supreme Court application also which is pending in this case.
No, I'm likely to move Supreme Court. I'm likely to file the SLP in the next week. And as of now, her intention is that CBI should record the statement of that lady officer. This is the intention as of now. And I'm going to request the court to direct the CBI to record the statement.
And we also see that the previous hearing, the bail was denied by the Bombay High Court. You see there can be any kind of a recourse that can happen going further for your client?
Yes, we are moving Supreme Court and we are likely to file an appeal next week. So hopefully I'm positive that she'll get bail from the Supreme Court.
And these are sensational details that have now emerged as far as the Sheena Bora murder case is concerned. And Indrani Mukherjee's lawyer just now spoke with Republic TV in that exclusive interaction where she has claimed in that letter that Indrani Mukherjee has sent across stating that Sheena Bora is still alive and she's possibly in Kashmir. Let me also go across to Shavan now, who's also joining us for more on this. And Shavan, these are sensational exclusive details that have now been accessed by Republic. Help us understand, what does this letter really mention about?
Well, Richard, for starters, this is essentially a claim that we made by an accused who is currently in jail at this point in time. So, as far as the Central Bureau of Investigation is concerned, this is certainly not going to be imperative on them to actually take it forward, depending only if there is some sort of an instruction that is basically given by the court. Having said that, sources within the agency have indicated that they're certainly not going to act on it immediately unless there is any sort of direction coming in from the court itself. We're talking about a letter that has been written by Indrani Mukherjee, in which she's essentially making a claim that is based on what they are saying, a lady government officer who also happens to be an accused in another case and is currently lodged in the same jail like Indrani Mukherjee. So, as far as these claims are concerned, it is only going to go forward if at all the court intervenes. If that does not happen, it's very unlikely that there would be any action that would be taken by the Central Bureau of Investigation as far as these claims that have been made by Indrani Mukherjee.
Right. So that is Shavan Sen bringing us all that information about what is the standing of Indrani Mukherjee's letter to the CBI and on her lawyers telling us that they will move courts, asking for the CBI to speak and record the statement of this person whom she met in jail, who said that Sheena Bora is still alive and in Kashmir. This is a sensational story right from the word get-go, and now a big twist. Sheena Bora was, of course, the daughter of Indrani Mukherjee, who was posing as her sister, and she turned up dead. So we are bringing you this exclusive interaction. You can watch it and you can know all the details of what Indrani Mukherjee's lawyer said to Republic on republicworld.com. That is where you can follow this story.